हेलो।
हेलो। दिख रहा है?
हाय।
दिख रहा है अच्छे से?
हाँ, वेरी गुड। गुड
How are
कंडीशन।
you?
आई एम गुड।
See, I'm already like ready with all the desi swag of Gujarat and Ahmedabad to give you all the that khushbu of
उतना
Gujarati.
उतना you start with not correct also. So
Yes.
what are we actually asking these people to expect in Ahmedabad?
Expect a lot, a beauty of Gujarat. There will be good food, Gujarati food, which we are going to have it, which is at
Agash.
Agashiye. So
Okay.
basically, Agashiye is a Gujarati word,
Okay.
which we call it as a terrace.
Okay.
So we'll be sitting on the terrace and having our meal.
Yeah.
It's an amazing place to stay also, to have your lunch also.
Hmm.
So that is going to we are going to do it on a very first day, and then we are going to heading towards our law garden where we'll get to see all the street shopping and all the Gujarati style shopping and all. So and few other places as well of
This is just, you've
Ahmedabad.
just described. Let me tell everybody, you've just described one day of our trip. One day.
It is
So
just one day, so it's just we are going little easy on a day one, and then we are going to like blast from the day two.
day two we have too much packed.
Too much
Starts
pack, so
with
like
Mom's Therapeutica Factory,
absolutely.
and we have a few exciting
So
activities
it's
planned
not
there.
only Mom's Saripika factory. I just don't want to sound like that, but definitely we'll
Oh,
start.
you don't sound like that. I will for you.
So definitely while going towards the factory, so
Yeah.
from Ahmedabad to Surendranagar, it's 120 kilometers. To be
Okay.
precise, it is 123 kilometers, and generally it takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours. But because right now it is little bit windy and rainy over here, so if during that time it's still raining, then we might go a little more easy. So the maximum upper limit is 2.5 hours. So while going towards the factory, there is amazing restaurant which is named as a Samba restaurant cafe or something,
Okay.
where you will get authentic Andhra and South Indian food. So we might go there and then we head towards Surendranagar, where you will get to see all the beauties in between. So while going towards Surendranagar, you will also get to see M Cure, Namita
Okay.
Thapar's M Cure, which is also there near
Okay.
Surendranagar.
Oh.
Then, of course, we are heading straight to our factory.
Hmm.
We are going to just have a look at the factory. The
Hmm.
best thing we are going to do at our factory is you can make your own product.
Yeah.
So let's say if the hair oil is ready, or if you want
Hmm.
to make a hair oil also, we can, will allow you to do that. And then you can choose your own fragrance that how your hair oil should be smelling.
Oh wow.
Then you can also make your own coffee scrub, whether you want more coffee, whether you want more oily, the more fragrance or whatever. So you
So
can
you're
pick
letting
and
us
choose.
take this home also, na then?
Of course, that's for you. That's for you for sure. Then definitely we are going to. I'm going to feed you with all our Surendranagar stuff, fafda. Generally, what we people call it Gujarati as fafda, thepla, and jalebi.
Right.
So I don't want to miss on that line for sure. Not. So yes, we are going to do that while roaming around the factory.
Right.
Just 10 kilometers away from our factory, which is a small town, not even a town, a small gaon, which is called as a Somasar. So, Somasar is famous for its patolas. So, like
Oh.
how we have a bandhani, same way we have patolas. So,
Right.
all the weavers are staying in Somasar.
Okay.
So, there are, and the beauty, they don't have a factory or a layout, nothing. वो लोग घर पे ही वो हाथ वीविंग वाला जो मशीन रहता है वो घर
Wow.
पे ही लगाते हैं और
Wow.
घर से ही वो लोग काम करते हैं. So
Fantastic.
yeah, so this is the first,
This is
just the
half
first
of day
half.
two. Half of day two.
Yes,
So,
this
guys,
is happening.
rest we are not going to open it up to you. We want it to be a surprise for all of you who join us.
Yes.
And please do. We already have a good gym bang that is going, and we have lots of exciting.
Of
We
course,
know
we also have a written gifts, by the way,
that's
a
what I was
goodie
coming to.
bag. Please go ahead and tell them.
That Krishna has done these beautiful goodies for all of us,
Both of us
and
have done. So it's like,
and meaning she's putting in a lot of effort. So I really think that it's not only about the factory at Mom's Therapy. Sorry, the Mom's Therapy factory. It's also about the culture. It's also a bit about the food. It's
I'm
also
so
about
agree with you, and Upasana, thank you so much for taking this forward, because this is the exact time whenever Narendra Modi speak about, and he talked about the Swadeshi thing,
right.
handmade thing, artisan thing, and all
Correct.
that. And it was dot on the point and dot on the line we are doing it. So thank you for this initiative, yeah.
No, and I'm glad, meaning I hope that more and more people can join because we are going to do a lot of culture-rich things.
Yes,
So,
lot of things. So, of course, the places where we are going to go for, let's say Vishala,
right.
as if you will Google Vishala. So these are few places. Let's say Vishala ho gaya, then Agashia ho gaya. There is also one of this place which is called as a Gordon Thal. So
Hmm.
these are few places whenever any celeb, whether it is from the Bollywood to Hollywood to cricket industry or any industry, people do come and visit Ahmedabad. They don't miss on this thing, where you are going to get authentic food, not only a food, but also you are going to get the glimpse of culture.
Right.
Like Vishala has some 100 years old, the range of vessels, तांबा पित्तल के जो vessels अपने रहते हैं वो
Wow. Huh.
some 100-200 year old, and they have a kind of, they are exhibited there in their own place.
Oh,
So
beautiful.
it's kind of what we call it, that kind of a museum.
Okay.
Yeah, there will
Hmm.
be small cultural thing happening around us. So there is no fancy. What we get it in Bombay, there is no fancy. There is no fancy table and all that. There will be a khatia, or maybe you sit on the floor
So we
and
have enough
enjoy
of
it.
that in Bombay, no? That's what
Yeah,
we're coming to Gujarat for.
and I think that's the main reason I said, okay, this time I don't
Yeah.
want to do any sort of a fancy thing.
Yeah.
That we can do it otherwise anytime also.
Correct.
But I just want, because it's your first time, I really want you to feel what we are, what Gujarat is. And above all that, I really want you, Danisha, and Poonam, and all are joining, that from where I'm coming. So you will be the first people from Bombay, of course, apart from my husband, who are going to see Surendra Nagar, from where I'm born and brought up. So yeah, it's going to be emotional and proud moment for me.
I can speak for all three of us. We are very excited. And I'm hoping that there are so many people who've sent inquiries looking at this live.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'm hoping that a lot of them join. People are saying love the idea of experiential factory visit, meeting the local artisans, local food. So yeah, meaning
There's
lots of
lot of thing.
comments.
Of course, we are also going to do this. There is one more place which is again 20 kilometers. It is on the way only. So while
Mm-hmm.
returning to Ahmedabad from the factory, there is also one place. Jahan pe, if you remember the last movie, whether it was Fast and Furious or which was
F1.
F1, in which the
F1.
Brad Pitt has bought that shirt.
Barney shirt, yes.
So it's a bandhani, and the material which is called as a tangalia.
Okay.
So tangalia is basically made for rabaris.
Okay.
So that also we are going to see that. We are going to see bandhani, and yeah,
Okay.
lot many things.
She's given you all another glimpse of day two. Before she reveals the whole trip to you all.
Day three. So let me now end this. Day three is also, so I can say 7 और 8 तारीख का थोड़ा भाग दौड़ करने के बाद we need little bit of shanti. So for that we are going to go, and how can you miss Gandhi Ashram when you are not
Sabarmati
in
Ashram, yes.
Sabarmati Ashram, Gandhi
Yeah.
Ashram? And the beauty of that ashram, they have those gufa kind of a thing, which is loaded with M.F. Hussein's painting.
Oh wow.
So to give you an idea of that, recently Sonam Kapoor and Vogue did a photo shoot and kind of a thing over there. You can go and check out Vogue or Sonam Kapoor, what we are talking about. So yeah, this is also day 3. It's just a little bit about day 3.
See, she can't resist before she gives you all. She's almost given you all the entire itinerary. But please,
So I
guys,
just want people to feel what all they are going to miss.
yes, I'm sure there's huge FOMO created, and whoever is interested, please, y'all can DM either Krish or me, and get your journey started. There is no really uh, big process for booking. It's very simple. Everybody's paying as they go. So it's a nice and simple trip. Like she said, it's purely culture based and
Yeah.
very, very authentic. So get on board and don't miss this experience.
And the people who has never traveled to Ahmedabad, it's just 45 to 50 minutes flight. They do say it's 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But if you ask me honestly, I'm a very regular person. It's hardly not even 1 hour flight. It's hardly 500, 460 or 470 kilometers from Bombay to Ahmedabad. Flights are cheaper, trains are cheaper, day train, night train, whatever you feel. To give you a more idea about this, we are doing it 3 days trip. Let's say if you want to come just for a day one,
Yeah.
one day, which is on 8th, when we are doing this patola thing and mom's therapy factory and make your own stuff in factory. That also you can do it. You don't need
That
to
yeah,
stress.
that's what I meant. That we absolutely have no issues. It's a completely no stress,
Yeah.
no process trip. So please do message us because we will be excited to have you on board.
Yes,
And we are definitely doing this. So we are going for sure.
for
Our
sure.
uh, our bookings are done,
Done.
and I am seeing you on the 7th now.
Yes, I'll see you.
Yeah.
I'm just
Okay.
waiting. Danisha, come fast.
See you. See you.
Bye.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye. Bye.